HKC Smart Washroom Solution, an end-to-end IoT-based cleanliness monitoring solution. First, we've got level sensors for usage level tracking of tissue papers. And we got Smart Bin for garbage level tracking. Soap usage level sensor to real-time track the soap level, water leakage detectors installed at the drain. Besides, we provide compartment vacancy indicator lights or smart display. Before entering the washroom, users can see the smart display showing real-time occupancy and the air quality. The stylishly designed toilet compartment uses white or red lights to indicate occupancy. Inside the bathroom stall, we've got toilet paper usage tracking sensor, toilet cleanser level sensor, and of course a smart bin as well. At the ceiling, we've got air quality sensor and a smoke detector. Indoor air quality sensor can measure the odor level to make sure a clean and pleasant washroom is always ready for your guests. Our smart mirror has hand wash counters, and visitors can use our smart mirror to report clogs, spills, and rate satisfaction score. Our purpose of Smart Washroom Solution is to provide a win-win solution for both property management and end users. Property management can manage through our cloud dashboard to track the real-time data of the washroom, such as the usage level of washroom utensils, which can benefit and improve the cleaning time arrangement of the front-end workers. Benefit of a smart washroom is to provide predictive analytics to improve safety, cleanliness, and satisfaction for washroom end users, as well as optimal resource allocation and cost efficiency in facility management. To learn how you can elevate the washroom experience in your building, contact HKC professional sales representative or visit our website today.